Hello, this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon, and today we'll talk about why your Amazon listing is killing sales. Most Amazon sellers don't struggle because their product is bad. They struggle because their listing quietly kills conversions. One of the biggest mistakes is treating the title like a keyword dump instead of a sales headline. If it's if it's hard to read or doesn't clearly explain the value, buyers scroll past without thinking twice. Another major issue is weak visuals. Amazon is a visual marketplace, and low quality images or missing lifestyle infographics, infographic shots instantly reduce trust. If your images don't answer questions and show real use, you lose the sale before the buyer even reads the text. Bullet points are often wasted by listing features instead of benefits. Buyers care about how the product helps them, not just what it's made of. Add in poor backend keyword usage, inconsistent branding, or pricing that doesn't match perceived value, and conversions drop even further. On Amazon, visibility brings clicks, but a well built listing brings sales. Fix the foundation, and everything else start working. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video.